everyone, welcome to 5 minutes belly dance with me. Alright, now let's play with the triple steps to give you some ideas on how you can use this later on in your dance. Okay, we're going to start at the back. We're going to go 4 steps front with the triple steps. Your hand is basically just going to shift it to the side, and I would like you to start with the hip on the figure 8 as you move to the front. Alright, so we are going to go on the right leg first. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And now we're going to change. Alright, we're going to go diagonal. So at this position, I'm going to go this diagonal first, but I'm not going to do the hip figure 8 now because I'm going to focus on the angle. I'm just going to push my hip to the side. My hands will still stay the same. No change on the hand. It's now we're playing with the different directions now. So I'm going to push to this angle, this diagonal. 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to push to that angle. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to go to this angle. 1, 2, 3. And now this angle. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so we're going to go this, 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 and this. Alright, so let's do this again. I'm here. I'm going to push to the one at the back on the right side. 1, 2, 3. And then now still on the right, but in front. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to the front of the left. 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to the back on the left. 1, 2, 3. So I'm playing with the 4 corners now. My hands stay the same. It's just I'm going to push my hip to the side. Alright, so I've finished facing here. Alright, and now I'm going to do the drag with the big arm. 1, 2, 3. Okay, this one I'm just going to push my hip to the side as well. So I'm doing the dragging movement. And this time, okay, all the while I was on my tippy toes. Alright, on my tippy toes. But this one I'm going to go tippy toes, flat, flat, tippy toes, flat, flat, tippy toes, flat, flat for 3 sets. And then I'm going to do the 2-point turn. Step and turn. And I'm going to repeat everything on the left side. Alright, so here we go. 1, 2, 3. This is the hip figure 8. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The angles. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And side. Step, step, side. Step, step, side. Step, step, step. Turn. Alright? Now let's try this with the music. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. 3, 4. Angle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 1, 2, 3. And step. Turn now left. Alright, this is figure 8. 3, 4. Angle. 1, 2, 3, 4. Side. 1, 2, 3. And step. Turn again. Figure 8. Ankle. Side. And step. Turn. Up front again. Starting on the left now. The angle. And side. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, press the subscribe and bell button. And see you again next time. Bye.